Oh my god, oh my god. Okay. I seriously just screamed so loud, like bloody murder, because I felt something crawling on me. So freaking nasty, you guys. I think I'm gonna... Yeah, so my car is dirty. That thing was on my freaking arm. Oh my god. My heart is racing right now. I don't even know how to get it out. I don't know how to get it out. If anyone knows me, like, I hate insects. I cannot stand them. I'm about to ask this guy right here to help me. I cannot stand insects at all. Like, at all. I'm so scared. How do I get it out of my car? Oh my gosh. Why did God make those nasty... Ooh. Seriously, I'm freaking out. It was on my arm. Like, I'm like parking here at Walmart and I'm like, why do I feel something on my arm? Freaking cicada. Cicada, right? Is that what it's called? Locust thing? I know I'm acting like a little schoolgirl right now, but disgusting. And I can hear it right now. It's flapping its little insect wings. Someone come to Walmart and save me. Get this out of my car. Ew. Ew. It would be crunchy. It would be crunchy if I poked it. Okay. Let's see what I got here. I don't even want to show you my car. I seriously... Okay, yeah, good idea. I'm gonna get you. I'm right across the road. Come save me, Amy. I seriously looked down and I screamed. I can't even reenact it because it was bloody, sheer bloody murder. Oh, okay. Okay, you gonna watch this? I'm gonna do it. Oh my gosh, so disgusting. I need to clean my car, by the way. Yucky. Okay. I can't. Oh god. Get out of my car. Oh my. Where's that guy when I need him? Alright, you little nasty. Get out of my... How? What? Ew, 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 ew. I don't want it to fly back and get me. I'm seriously dying. Like, I'm dying right now. It's... They don't find like saying Jesus' name, like, go away. It's considered a demon. She would drown it in her sanitizer. Oh my god, like, get out of my life. I don't care, I'm not picking that up. Y'all, I can't even touch a freaking, like, we get big ants in our house. No, you don't even understand right now. I can't handle this. Stab it, ew. Are you sick? If I stab it, its little juices will squirt everywhere. I'm in Mansfield. In Jesus' name, fly away. Fly away, little cicada. Get out of my life. I'll drown it with some lemon water. Okay, seriously? Wait, hold on. Oh, hey, sir?
Yeah.
Can you get this bug out of my car? I'm freaking out. Do you know those little cicada things?
Oh.
Can you get it?
They don't even have a mouth.
Oh,
There you go.
Thank you. You saved my life. Oh my gosh. This guy. Oh, he saved my life. He's like, they don't even have a mouth. I'm seriously, my heart's racing right now. Oh, yeah. Oh. Whew. Okay, you guys. He just grabbed it. He just freaking grabbed it. I love him. See? God always provides. I called out in Jesus' name and he provided. He provided. Is it safe to get out of my car? Okay, I seriously need to go into Walmart and get some stuff for my boy's birthday party. Okay. My arm is still intact. Thank God for that guy. You can't find me. I am by I am by, there you are. Amy! I hear! I see you! See, that's what rap sisters are all about. We come save each other from cicadas!
Save the cicada!
Ah!
Let's move and save the tatas.
True friends! True friends, you guys.
Oh my gosh. Where is it?
I don't know.
I had a straw and an iced tea I was going to drown and stab him with.
Like, I'm seriously trying not to throw up right now. Like, I need to go wash my arm.
You're gagging like baby people.
Alright, bye guys.